90, 100, 1000, and 200. It is just for your memorization. So 90, 100, 1000, 200. If you want to say 300, you take the number 3, and just add sta, and we are getting триста. At the same sta, you add to the number 4, 4, 400, 400. Now here is our conclusion. If you want to count confidently in Russian, you should memorize the following numbers: 90, 90, 40, 40, 100, 100, 200, 200, 1000, 1000. And of course you should memorize from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.